Over time, when the engine operation continues, the friction between the piston ring and cylinder walls invariably cause scratches, scores, pits, and other imperfections on the cylinder walls. These conditions on the engine cylinder cause engine performance degradation.
Does your engine emit more smoke? Does your engine generate more noise and vibration? Does your engine mileage get reduced?
Introducing Nano Energizer, a revolutionary 20 nanometer nano-ceramic coating technology for easy engine restoration without disassembling. Nano Energizer is an internationally proven and trusted product. Brought to you by Nanologic for Indian market and available at all leading service centers and with engine experts, Nano Energizer is the ideal engine additive that your engine needs. A unique and revolutionary technology in the world, Nano Energizer is a perfect nano cermet. The 20 nm nano ceramic layer contains platinum coated zirconium powder emulsified in mineral oil, which is ideal for engine restoration and protection. The result is a smoother, quieter engine with more power and better mileage than ever before.
The product is an additive to the engine oil and only enhances the performance and does not affect the engine in any other manner.
Nano Energizer single pouch for smaller engine can be used in any type of two-wheeler engine, and it is a universal application for any type of small engines such as gensets, lifts and other oil-based engines. Nano Energizer single pouch can be used in any type of engine with a 4 to 10 litre oil capacity suitable for gasoline, diesel and CNG vehicles. This can also be used as an additive to steering and gearbox oil. 2-pouch injection for any type of big engine up to 25 litre oil capacity. Warm up engine and shake Nano Energizer sachet before injection. Add one-time injection Nano Energizer to your engine oil. Particle cohesion method is conducted by heat and pressure. No need for separate process to apply the coating and disassemble the engine. After injection of Nano Energizer, ceramic coating on engine metallic surface will be complete in 400 kilometers for bikes, 1,200 kilometers for car and 3,000 kilometers for heavy vehicles. Do not change the engine oil or lubricate in this period.
Gone are the days of huge quantities. Developed with the nanotechnology, just a small quantity of Nano Energizer does all that you need for your engine restoration.
Proven potential results. Restores friction surfaces and protects against wear and tear with cermet coating. Better oil pressure and combustibility. Reduced noise and vibration levels. Nano Energizer is tested and endorsed by leading research labs and organizations. With Nano Energizer, there is remarkably improved performance such as fuel savings up to 10 to 15%, increases power of the vehicle, better mileage, eco-friendly, enhances engine life.
Cermet coating starts deteriorating only after 40,000 kilometers.
Achieve peak performance and sustain it.